Leatherman has fused all of the basic elements you need to survive, get just about any job done, and allow for plenty of fun, all in one handy multi-tool called Fuse. Like Kick, Fuse was designed for comfort with Zytel grips, so you can handle multiple jobs with style and comfort all day long. The plier jaws are extra strong. The knife blade and wire cutters are extra long. And Fuse features all the tools that made Leatherman famous. There is a useful assortment of screwdrivers, wire stripper, bottle and can opener, and scissors strong enough to cut seat belts, zip ties, leather, and fishing line. Interior blades rotate individually, so you can easily grab just one tool at a time, and every blade locks securely in place. Leatherman Fuse, the perfect blend of work and play.